Good morning students. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our revision. Okay. So we will start revision of chapter 5. Chapter 5 is decimal. So first of all, what is decimal? Decimal number system used to write fractional number. Okay. Fractional number जो होता है उसको write करने के लिए हम decimal number system use करते हैं. Okay, we can write in fraction form, but we can write that fractional number in decimal form also. Whenever we have denominator 10, 100, 1000, so directly we can write in decimal form. Suppose we have 6 upon 10. So when we have 10 as a denominator, so after one digit we will take a decimal. Like this we write numerator as it is. And we will take one decimal place. So there is one digit, so we will put here decimal. So it's become 0.6. Okay. If we have 25 upon 10, so we can write 2.5, because whenever we have 10 as denominator, so we will take one decimal place, and this is called point. Okay. This is point. If we have suppose 425 upon 100, so in 100 we have 2 times 0, so we will take 2 decimal place. Okay. So what will we write it? Numerator as it is, and we will take 2 decimal place, 1, 2. Here we will put a point, so it's become 4.25. Okay. So these are the decimals. Fractional number we can write in decimal form. So decimal number system used to write fractional number in decimal. Fractional number जो होते हैं उनको decimal में write करने के लिए we use decimal system. Okay. Now in this we have two part. Okay. Decimal number consists two part. One is whole. This is whole. जैसे हमारे पास है 4.25. So before decimal, this is decimal. This dot is called decimal. Okay, we can say point. This is called decimal. This we can say point also. Before decimal we have whole part. Decimal से पहले हमारे पास क्या होता है? Whole. And after decimal we have fractional part. Okay, decimal के बाद में जो decimal जो है वो 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है वन नंबर को. बिफोर डेसिमल वी हैव होल एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल वी हैव फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. तो ये तो हमारा होल नंबर के जैसे रीड होता है. एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल वी स्पीक सिंगल डिजिट. सो वी स्पीक इट लाइक दिस 4.25. सपोज वी हैव 286.931. सो हाउ वी विल स्पीक इट? हाउ वी विल रीड इट? 286.931. Okay, 286 will together, ये because this is whole. ये क्या आपका whole. And after decimal we speak single digit. So it's come 931. Okay, one more method to read it. इसको read करने का एक और method है. For that we have to know about the decimal place value chart. Okay, second जो system है, how we read a number, how we write a number, decimal number. For that we require the decimal place value chart. उसके लिए हमें decimal place value chart की knowledge होनी चाहिए पहले. Then we can write with the second method, read and write. जो second method है उससे read और write के लिए हमें decimal place value system चाहिए. So what is the decimal place value system? We have decimal. Okay, before decimal we have whole. So whole में आपके कॉलम्स कैसे होते हैं? प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट क्या होता है होल में आपका? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, the same way, because this is whole. So whole में what is the system of whole? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are the place values. This is the place value system of whole number. Okay, and after decimal what we have? After decimal we have fractional part. और fractional part means क्या होता है कि आपके पास यहाँ पे वंस का प्लेस नहीं होता. There is tenth. TENTHS, DHS का मतलब 10 in the denominator. अब यहाँ पे तो आपके पास क्या है, इसकी अगर हम फिगर में राइट करते तो ones means there will be 1. In tens we have 10. In 100 we have 100. In 1000 we have place value 1000. In 10,000 we have 10,000. Okay? But in fractional, what is there? This is 1 upon 10. There is not ones column. There is start from 10th. So this value is 1 upon 10. If there is 2 digits, 2, so 2 upon 10. There is 5, so 5 upon 10. That's place value is like that. We have in denominator 10. Okay. Then after 10th we have 100th. But we have 100th. HUNDREDTHS. Why we are taking THS? Because this 100 in denominator. So in figure how we can write 1 upon 100. Clear? Then we have 1000th. THOUSANDTHS means after decimal. We have THS form. THS form means we have this 1000 in denominator. So we have it in figure 1 upon 1000. In figure we write this 1 upon 1000. Okay. So after decimal which place we have 10th, then 100th, then 1000th, then 10,000th, then lakh in THS form. In THS form. Clear? So when we read a number, suppose we have 286.951. So how we can read it? One तो method आपके पास same है 286.951. But another method. The second method, what is that? We can speak 286 and at the place of point we will speak it and 951 क्या? 1000th. Which is your last place that you have to speak. Okay? So we speak it 951,000th. जो last आपका place है that you have to speak with the number. Okay? Suppose we have like this. Suppose only we have 95. After decimal we have 95. So what we speak? 286 and. We will not speak point. We will speak it and. 95. Now last is what? 100. जो 5 है वो 100 के place पे है. So we will speak 95 100th. Okay? One method तो simple वही बोलेंगे हम 286.95. But इस method को आप छोड़ दो. Second method क्या है आपके पास कि 286 and 95 100th. Clear? So like this we can speak. This is the second method of writing decimal number. After that, place value chart. How we will find place value? So by this we can find place value also. We can find expanded form also. For that we require this place value chart. ये हमारा place value chart है और expanded form के लिए and place value for the place value we require this chart. Okay. The short we can write here TTHS, HTHS and thousands के we write here 10th. For 10th we can write TTHS. For 100 HTHS 100th. Thousandth THS thousands. In the short we can write like this. Okay. So now we will write there how we will find place value. Suppose we have till 100 we can take here. Okay. If you have 1000, 10,000 then you can take that one also. I am taking only 3 places. So if you have 256.925. Now what is the place value of 6? That will be 6 because 6 is in the ones place. So place value of 6 will be 6. What is the place value of 2? 200 because it is on 100 place. What is the place value of 5? 5 की place value क्या होगी? This is on the 1000th place. Okay, 10th, 100th, then 1000th. So its place value will be 5 upon 1000 because thousandths, THS. So this thousand will come in the denominator. In numerator we have whatever digit is there that we have to write, and in denominator we will write a thousand. Clear? Hundredth, 200th. So what will be the place value of this? 2 upon 100. And place value of 9? 9 upon 10 because it is on 10th place. So these are the place value. And when we write in expanded form, so the same way we will write in expanded form also, because expanded form is the sum of place values. सेकेंड मेथड क्या है एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में? आपके पास प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए भी आप डेसिमल में भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. सपोज डेसिमल में आपको फाइंड करनी है इसकी 5 की, तो कैसे फाइंड करोगे आप? ओके, व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू? बिफोर डेसिमल वी विल नॉट टेक एनीथिंग. नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल 10th we will make 0, 100th we will make 0, so it's become 0.005. okay, these will become 0 in simply what we do, जो हमारे पास होल नंबर होता है उसमें तो हम बैक साइड में 0 लगाते हैं, बट डेसिमल में हमें क्या करना है? डेसिमल के बाद जितने भी प्लेसेस दैट विल बी 0 एंड विच नंबर प्लेस वैल्यू वी आर फाइंडिंग दैट विल रिमेन सेम. जिसकी हमें जो डिजिट है, जिसकी हमें प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, that will be same, and before that how many digits is there? That will be 0. okay, if you want to find 2 in decimal form, 2 की आपको डेसिमल में फॉर्म में राइट करनी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 0 पॉइंट बिफोर डेसिमल मीन्स होल तो हमें 0 ही रखना है, एंड नाउ देयर इज आल्सो 0 एंड नाउ देयर इज 2. like this we can find in decimal form also. The same way you will write in expanded form also. expanded form को भी आप डेसिमल में भी कर सकते हैं और आप उसको फ्रैक्शन में भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, जैसे डेसिमल में करनी है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? पहले तो होल की आप एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म बनाओगे. सो वी हैव 256. सो वी राइट हियर 200 plus 50 plus 6. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल टेक डेसिमल. सो डेसिमल में हमारा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 10. बिफोर 10 we don't have any digit is there. So nothing, 0 is there. We will write directly 0.9. Now 100th. So before 100th we have 10. So write here 0.02. Now next is 1000th. So plus whole number के आपको सिंगल 0 लगानी है. होल नंबर में चाहे यहाँ पे कितनी डिजिट का नंबर हो, आपको सिर्फ 1 टाइम 0 ही लेनी होल की. Then point. Then whatever is there that you have to write. 10th के लिए simply 10th place. Then 100th पे 10th के place का गैप आ गया, so 10th place will be 0. And in 1000th also 10th and 100th place gap, so that will be 0. And now on 1000th we have 5. So like this you can write in decimal form also. Fractional form में भी write कर सकते हैं, decimal form में भी write कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the method of finding expanded form. Now we have plus, minus, multiply, divide also of decimal. डेसिमल का प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड भी आपके पास. सो दैट्स आर द सिंपल, लाइक द सिंपल एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन. एडिशन में आपके पास क्या होता है? आपको अप एंड डाउन राइट करना है. ओके, और यू हैव टू ऐड. एंड इन सब्ट्रैक्शन आल्सो, सपोज यू हैव 0.4 प्लस 281.56 प्लस 3.28. How you will add? First of all, there is 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times decimal we will take 1, 2, 3. Now first number we will write. In first number before decimal we have 0, and after decimal we have 4. Now in second we have 281 in whole. So in ones column 1, in tens column 8, in 100 column 2. Now after decimal we have 5. Then we have 6. Next third number 3.28 in ones column 3, and after point we have 2, 8. आपको स्पेशली टेक केयर करना है प्लस और माइनस में. दैट वन यू हैव टू टेक केयर. डेसिमल कम्स डाउन डेसिमल. डेसिमल जो है वो आपका अप एंड डाउन रहे, वो आपका इधर उधर नहीं हो. बिफोर डेसिमल लेस और मोर डिजिट कैन बी देयर, उससे आपका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे कम हो या ज्यादा हो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आपको सिर्फ कॉलम्स के अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज करना है. 1s, 10s, 100, एंड इन दिस साइड आल्सो 10, 100, 1000. Like this you have to arrange. Clear? Now whatever is not there, we should change it into the like decimals. अब जो नहीं है वहां पे हम जीरो लगा देंगे तो ये like decimals में चेंज हो जाएंगे. Okay? Now here also you can take 0. Here also you can take 0. Now you can add 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry. There is 5, there is 8, there is 2. So your answer becomes 285.24. The same way you will do minus also. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस की जगह माइनस हो आपके पास, so there is also same process. आपको डेसिमल को अप एंड डाउन करना है and then you can do minus. Plus and minus is same. Now we will talk about the multiplication. How we will do multiplication? So decimal multiplication अभी आपने वॉल्यूम वाले चैप्टर में भी किया है. Decimal multiplication like the simple multiplication. Suppose you have 2.4 multiplied by 0.35. Okay, how you will multiply? Like the simple multiplication we will do multiply. We will write up and down. हम up and down write करेंगे. 2 point यहाँ पे हमें डेसिमल को अप एंड डाउन करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि बिल्कुल हमारा सेम लाइन में है, आगे पीछे हो सकता है इन मल्टीप्लाई. ओनली प्लस एंड माइनस decimal will be up and down exactly in the place. बिल्कुल आपका ऊपर नीचे एक ही लाइन में होना चाहिए आपका इन द प्लस एंड माइनस. प्लस और माइनस में आपका बिल्कुल ऊपर नीचे डेसिमल होना चाहिए, आगे पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए. मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड में कैसे भी हो सकता है. सो नाउ 2.4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.35. Now you can see that here is in first number we have here decimal. In second we have here decimal. These are not up and down, but there is no effect on the question. Okay? Only multiplication, only plus and minus. You will take care about that. कि आपका decimal बिल्कुल एक ही लाइन में हो ऐसे ऊपर नीचे. And then you have to arrange the digits. Now we multiply. 5 4s are 20. 2 goes carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Now 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it's become 840. Now it is correct? No. Because in question we have decimal also. ये अगर आपने decimal नहीं लगाया so it's become simple question. ये तो आपका simple बन गया आपका. But in question we have decimal also. So now we count the decimal places. Here is 1 and 2 is there. So 1 plus 2 total are 3. So in answer we will take 3 decimal place. So count 1 2 3. Here we will put a decimal. Now before decimal we have nothing, so we can write here 0. हम 0 लगा सकते हैं, नहीं भी लगाओगे तो भी करेक्ट है. If you are taking 0 that is also correct. So it's become 0.840. That we can speak 0.84. Because in last 0 there is no value of this 0. Decimal में अगर ये whole होता so it is 840. But in decimal, if in last we have 0, so there is no value of this 0. We can speak only 0.84. This is also equal. Both are equal. Clear? So like this you will do multiply. And now division of decimal. So division of decimal is also like the simple division. जो डेसिमल का डिवीजन है वो भी सिंपल डिवीजन के जैसे ही है. सिर्फ आपको जैसे मल्टीप्लाई में हमने डेसिमल प्लेस को काउंट किया वैसे ही आपको डिवाइड में भी डेसिमल प्लेस को काउंट करना है. एंड दैट डेसिमल प्लेस यू विल टेक इन द क्वोशिएंट. सपोज यू हैव 4.268 divided by 8. Okay, we will do divide. 4.268. In decimal division, no need to write here quotient, you will write on the top. Because sometimes if we are not getting remainder 0, so we can put here more zeros. In the last there is no value of zeros in the decimal. So for getting our remainder 0, we can put here 0 and then 0 we can note down. So that's why at the place of writing here quotient, यहाँ पे quotient की बजाय हम यहाँ ऊपर write कर रहे हैं. Okay? So here we can leave. In the last we will close it. Now divided by 8. अब हम इसको 8 से divide करेंगे. So 8 is our divisor. Now we will see. Before decimal we have here 4 and in divisor we have 8. 8 is greater than 4. So what will we do? We will divide on 0. 8 zeros are 0. 0 लगा देंगे हम. Now we will take 42 together. अब जो है हम डेसिमल को तो भूल जाएंगे. Now we will take 42 together. Now in 8 table where is 42? We don't have. 8 5s are 40. So we will take on 5. Okay? 8 5s are 40. Now we will do minus. 2 minus 0, 2. And there is 0. Now we note down 6. Now 8 3s are 24. Now 26 minus 24, that is 2. Now we note down 8. Again we are not getting the sorry. In 8 table where is 28? 8 3s are 24. 28 नहीं आता. We will take 8 3s are 24. Now we get remainder 4. We don't get our remainder 0. So what will we do? We can stop here. या तो हम यहाँ पे stop कर दें. But if we want to make our remainder 0, हमें remainder 0 ही बनाना है. हमें यहाँ पे stop नहीं होना. So what will we do? We can take here 0 because this 0 there is no effect on the question. The meaning is same. 4.268. The meaning is same. We can put here 0. In the last there is no effect on the question. Now we note down this 0. Now in 8 table where is 40? 8 5s are 40. Now 40 minus 40 we get the remainder 0. अब हमारा जो remainder है वो 0 आ गया हमारे पास. That means our divide is complete. Now we will count decimal place in the dividend. In dividend how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in quotient also we will take 4 decimal place. जितने हमारे पास dividend में है उतने ही हम quotient में लेंगे. Okay, so in quotient 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer become 0.5335. Clear? This is your answer. So like this we will do division of decimal. Decimal का जो division है वो हम इस type से करेंगे. So we have done our complete chapter revision. So like this you will revise your complete chapter. Thank you.